In this video, I will show you how to sell and withdraw on crypto.com. So step number 1 is to sell some of your crypto. From the home screen, simply click sell. Now right here, select your cryptocurrency that you want to sell and then withdraw. I'll select my Bitcoin. Then choose how much you want to do. For example, I'll set it to 25%. Where it says sell to, click on it and make sure it's set to cash and then your euro account, your pounds account, whatever kind of currency you use. I'll do my euro account. Then click review order and confirm it. Now your Bitcoin has been sold. Tap anywhere to continue. And now if you go to send right here on the home screen, you can click get started. And now in order to actually withdraw this to your own bank account, click accounts in the bottom. Then go to your euro or pound account, whatever fiat currency you use. And from there click withdraw. You will then see this, withdraw euro to your bank account. Go and click on got it. Then here select your bank account. If you've already used it to make a deposit, it will show up right here. Otherwise, first make a deposit from your bank account and then you can also use it to withdraw money. So go and click on it and then choose how much you want to withdraw. Now there is a minimal limit of 80 euros, so you need to have at least 80 euros to withdraw. Now say I only have 56. In that case, it might be smart to deposit 30 euros to then withdraw 86, so that I can take out this 56 euros. So after you click withdraw, it will then be taken directly into your bank account. So now you know how to sell and withdraw on crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.